Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to deactivate or disable developer options in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you have already enabled or activated developer options in your phone A16, yes, now you can disable it. What you got to do? Just go to the settings of your phone here, then come to about phone, and below about phone you will find developer options. Just click on it, and here just to turn off this button so that developer options will be disabled and deactivated. And if you would like to rethink and if you would like to later reactivate, yes, you can do it, yes, through the settings of your phone. In about phone you can again activate. Okay, so if you would like to deactivate or disable developer options in your phone, this is the method. Below about phone you have developer options if you have already activated, and go there and just select off button. Okay, on button should be turned off. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.